Good morning everyone. Today we will start chapter number 6, fractions. So what is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole or a part of a collection. Like in this figure, we have a rectangle, and rectangle is differentiated into how many parts? One part, two part, right? And which part is shaded? One part out of two parts. First of all, how many parts are there? One part, two part. So write down 2 in the denominator, right? How many parts are shaded? Only one part. So write 1 in the numerator. This is the form of a fraction. The number of shaded parts we have to write above the line, that is numerator, and the total parts we have to write below the line, that is denominator. Like in this part, in circle, how many total parts? 2 parts. How many shaded parts? Out of 2, 1 shaded part. In this figure, total number of parts? 4 parts. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. So total number of parts are 4. How many are shaded? Only 1 part. So the fraction of this diagram is 1 by 4. Next is, how many shaded parts? 3. Total parts? 4. So this fraction is 3 by 4. Right? Now exercise 6.1, complete the table. First diagram is this triangle. First of all, number of equal parts. How many equal parts are there? 1, 2, 3. Write down 3 in the first column. Fraction for the colored part. Colored part कितने हैं? Only 1 colored part. So write 1 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator, because total parts are 1, 2, 3. So 1 by 3. Next column is fraction for the uncolored part. Colored part में कितने parts थे? Only 1. Uncolored parts में कितने हैं? 1 part, 2 part. So 2 parts are uncolored out of total 3. So 2 by 3 in the next column. Parts needed to make one whole. What is the meaning of one whole? Like if I shaded all the parts, अभी क्या हो जाएगा? 3 ही shaded parts हैं and total भी कितने हैं? 3. This is whole value. So how many parts are needed to make it a whole? 1, 2, 3. Right? The total parts कितने थे? 3. उतने ही parts हमें चाहिए होते हैं to make the fraction a whole. Second part is, in this figure, how many parts are shaded? First of all, number of equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write down 4 in the first column. In this column, write down 4. Next is fraction of the colored part. Colored part की fraction. 1, 2. Number of colored parts? 2. And total number of parts? 4. So fraction is 2 by 4. Fraction for the uncolored part. In this, uncolored parts are 2 parts. And total number of parts? 4. So fraction is 2 by 4. Next is parts needed to make one whole. Total parts कितने हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4. तो कितने parts चाहिए होंगे whole बनाने के लिए? 4. Right? Third, fourth, fifth and sixth question, try by yourself. Now the B part is divide each square into equal parts. Color to show the fraction. First part उन्होंने आपको दिया हुआ है, जैसे this is a figure and 1 by 3. तो उन्होंने कितने out of 3 कितने portion को shade करा हुआ है? Only 1 को, to make it a fraction 1 by 3. Now second part के लिए what you have to do? 3 by 4. First of all you have to check the denominator. How many parts? 4 parts. So divide the figure into 4 equal parts. Right? Now how many parts are shaded? 3. Color any 3 parts to make it a fraction 3 by 4. First of all you have to check the denominator. Then divide the figure into that equal parts. Then you have to check the numerator and shade the number of parts that are present in the numerator. Right? Third and fourth part, try by yourself. In third figure, 7 by 10 figure into 10 equal parts, then shade 7 parts. In fourth one, divide the figure into 8 parts. 8 parts को कैसे divide करोगे? Like in this way. 8 parts हो गए ना, equal 8 parts. And how many shaded? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will become 5 by 8. Clear everyone? Now the C part, match the columns. First is 4 by 10. It means 4 out of 10 equal parts. We had already discussed in the B part na ki out of 10 equal parts, how many parts? 4 parts. So how can we write 4 by 10? 4 out of 10 equal parts. And the another way to write it is 4 tenths, right? Second part is 1 by 4. How we can write it? 1 out of 4 equal parts. And the another way is 1 by 4 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 1 quarter, right? Third is 2 by 3. It means 2 out of how many equal parts? 3 equal parts. Or we can write it as 2 thirds. ठीक है, इसको कैसे लिखते हैं? पहले 2 लिख दो, then उसके बाद 2 thirds, right? Fourth is 3 by 8. It means 3 out of 8 equal parts. And how we can write it? It is 3/8, right? Now the D part, fill in the numerator to make a whole. whole बनाने के लिए क्या करना है? Simply आपको जो डिनोमिनेटर है उसका टेबल ऊपर, उसके टेबल में जो भी वैल्यूज आती हैं वो लिख सकते हो आप, कोई भी वैल्यू, जैसे हमने करा था ना इन द केस ऑफ ट्रायंगल. हमने इसको होल बनाने के लिए कैसे लिखा था? कितने पार्ट्स चाहिए थे हमें? टोटल कितने पार्ट्स थे? 3. और हमें अगर हम तीनों को शेडेड कर देंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? होल. सो क्या लिख देंगे यहाँ पे? 3 by 3. Similarly, in this case, how we have to make it a whole? Box by 4. ऊपर क्या लिखोगे? Either your wish, you can write it 4 or 8 or 12. होल का मतलब होता है कि आपके पास फ्रैक्शन नहीं आनी चाहिए. बिकॉज अगर आप 4 by 4 लिखोगे, इट मीन्स 4 के टेबल पे 4 कहाँ पे आता है? 1 पे. इट मीन्स 1. अगर आप 8 by 4 लिखोगे, 4 के टेबल पे 8 कहाँ पे आता है? 2. हमारे पास ओनली सिंगल डिजिट लेफ्ट ओवर हो रहा है, नो वैल्यू इन द डिनोमिनेटर, राइट? सो इट मीन्स दिस वैल्यू इज होल. आइदर यू कैन राइट इन द बॉक्स 4 or 8 or 12, right? The table of the denominator value. Similarly, second part is क्या लिखोगे आप इसमें? 6 का टेबल, चाहे 6 लिख दो, चाहे 12, चाहे 18 and so on, right? Similarly, sixth part, denominator is 7. So what you can write? 7, 14. आपको सारी वैल्यूज नहीं लिखनी. You can write only one value. Either you will write in the box like this or 14 by 7. इनमें से एक वैल्यू लिखनी है, not both values, right? Now E part, fill in the denominator to make a whole. इसमें भी सेम ही प्रोसीजर फॉलो करना है, बस जो आपको न्यूमरेटर में वैल्यू दी हुई है उसको डिनोमिनेटर में लिख दो. So 5 by 5, because 5 के टेबल पे 5, 1 पे हमारे पास आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? 1. So write down 5 here. And second part, यहाँ पे भी क्या लिख दोगे? 3 by 3 to make it a whole. You just have to write same values in the numerator and denominator to make the complete value a whole value. Clear everyone? Now F part. अगर हमारे पास ये फिगर हाफ है, उन्होंने क्या बोला है कि if this is half, draw the whole shape. हमें ये पता है कि this figure is half. How we can draw the whole shape? This is half figure, so this is complete figure, right? अगर हमारे पास ये half part था, right? तो ये complete क्या हो जाएगा? Full part. So if this is half, then the complete figure will be this figure, right? Now G part. If this is quarter, draw the whole shape. Quarter का मतलब क्या होता है? 1/4. Quarter का मतलब 1/4। अगर ये हमारे पास एक कंप्लीट फिगर का 1/4 पार्ट है, मतलब आउट ऑफ 4 पार्ट्स वी हैव ओनली 1 पार्ट, देन द कंप्लीट फिगर विल बी draw a circle. Complete figure will be a circle because अगर आप इसका only ये वाला पार्ट लोगे, this is 1/4 of the complete circle. And आप चेक करो this figure and this figure same ना, and this is 1/4 of the complete circle means quarter of a circle. So the complete diagram will be the complete circle. Clear everyone?